Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get Lucky Patcher in 2019. This is a new method to get it because the old method has been patched and you cannot no longer download it. So on your iOS or Android device, you can go to your Safari or Google Chrome app. Once you guys are there, type in www.luckypatch.xyz and press go. Once you're on the website, you're gonna want to press Open Injector. I also have it open on my laptop to show you guys how it looks. But press Open Injector. It's gonna take you on this website, and basically all you have to do is download one of these apps because the Lucky Patcher is injected into the app, so it's hidden. So App Store can't close this down. So choose any of these. I will choose the BetterNet. And some of them are gonna be just watching videos, like very easy stuff. You don't have to even download the app. You can just turn the video on. It's like 12 seconds long. So once you guys are done doing that, you can simply close this and go back on here. And what you guys want to do is restart your phone, and you should have an app that shows Lucky like this. If it doesn't work, go back and download any other of these apps because maybe the video one may not be working that good right now because I'm not sure. When I downloaded it, I downloaded the app. I don't know. I downloaded the Sniper 3D Assassin. So the apps have better chances of working because it's cloned into an app instead of the video. But if it works, guys, please leave a comment down below. I'll be making more videos on how to get free things in the future. And thank you for watching and have a good day, guys.